how to send money to stake using crypto.com. Now, if you want to stake on crypto.com or send money to stake using crypto.com, first of all, it's very simple. You open the crypto.com app and you go ahead and download it. First of all, you open it up and then you log into your crypto.com account, right? So just go ahead and open the crypto.com app and log into your crypto.com account. Now, after you log in, simply select the staking option from the menu, and when you select the staking option from the menu, choose the asset you want to stake. Now enter the amount you want to stake and review the staking details and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on confirm stake and you can enter your passcode or face or touch ID to submit your request. Now you can also send money using crypto.com by simply selecting send under the withdraw in the side menu. Select your friends and family, import the contacts or select the recipient, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send, and you will be able to send it. These are the ways on how you can send money to stake using crypto.com. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.